everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've seen the title of this video, obviously you have, you know what video I'm doing today. I'm doing another Shein haul. This video is kindly sponsored by Shein, so thank you for that. The items were also gifted. I do have a discount code, I believe it's 15 chyna.xx. Let's just get straight onto the video because I'm so excited to show you these bits. I'm really liking the look of this rail, like the clothes on it are just beautiful, love it. Let's start with the bag just because it's here. I feel like diamond tees are so in right now. Everyone's obsessed with them. So I grabbed this diamond tee bag. I wish the strap was diamond tee as well instead of black. I might buy one and change it up. It does come with a mini chain, I believe. Yeah, comes with just a little chain. The quality of the bag is quite nice. It's thick. The diamond tees are netted on. I would say New Year's Eve bag, but it's been New Year's Eve, so just a party bag and glitzy bag overall. It is really cute. Just a little shoulder bag moment. Would now go on to clothes, but I have to show you these shoes. I just have to. If you follow me on TikTok, you would have seen these slippers a lot. What? Please look at these. I need to come closer so you can see these. Literal clouds, actual clouds. It's crazy. These are the comfiest slippers I've ever worn in my life. The actual soles themselves are really comfortable. They're really fluffy, really nice. I wish they had these in black and brown, so I'd buy those too. Hopefully they come out with that as well because I love these so much. These are the best slippers I've ever had in my life, and they're so cute. You look like you're walking about with little clouds on your feet, and they're not expensive neither, which is even better. I did grab another pair of slippers, another fluffy pair. Oh god, you can't see because I'm wearing black. They're just fluffy sliders, but they've got two like separate bits. You probably can't even see. I don't know why I'm trying. I do actually already own these, not in this colour, but like a mocha brown colour. You might have seen them on my TikTok also. These are so soft. Shein really don't mess about when it comes to like fluffiness, and if you know me, I love soft things. Like I can't just not touch something fluffy. So this is getting my endorphins going. I absolutely love these. While we're on the topic of shoes, I'll just show you the last pair now. These are really cool. I love statement pieces, and these are a statement. Super high shine PU boots. They have stretch to them as well. The quality of these is so amazing. With like a black outfit, black blazer. They're just so unreal, and I don't know why I wanted them so bad. I was getting like Powerpuff Girl vibes. I know it's not Halloween for ages, but if you use these as a Halloween costume, you're great because these are so lovely. I can't wait to wear these, and I can't wait to style them either with like a pink bag or something. Right, let's get on to some clothes. I will talk about the top I'm wearing. This top is from Shein. I'm obsessed with like graphic crop tops at the moment. You'll see that there is a lot of graphic crop tops in this haul. The fit of this one's really nice because it's got a bit of a loose bottom. It's still fitted at the same time. Like I just love the cut and everything, and the graphic print's really nice. I just paired it with some khaki cargo trousers, and I'm just obsessed. It's not see-through or anything like that. Now let's get on to the rail. This may look very familiar to you. Looking very much Jaded London tracksuit. I wanted the Jaded London tracksuit for literally forever, but I just couldn't pay the price for it. It's like £60 for the bottom, £60 for the top. I'm cheap. I can't do that. So I saw this on Shein, and I'm absolutely obsessed, and I really want the blue one because they have a blue one. If you haven't seen the Jaded London set before, first of all, where have you been? Second of all, I will show you. Of course, you're going to see it on the trial clip and stuff. It's very Y2K vibes. I love Y2K. If you don't know what Y2K is, it's like 2000s fashion, and I love the law as well. I just feel like the waistband is a bit awkward, like it's a bit twisted. I don't know if it's just mine or it's just weird. I love the colours. The bottoms are really long. If you're tall, you're gonna love that. If you're my height, 5 foot, you're not gonna love that. I did wear long socks and then tuck it under, if you know what I mean, and that worked really well for me. So if you're small, you can do that, and it's like a flared bottom. And then of course you've got the zip up jacket. It's really nice. It's kind of cropped but not completely. It's like that mid type thing, and I just wore mine with some sunglasses and a white vest top. The quality of the velour is really nice as well. It's super soft. Now talking about graphic tees, let's get on to a couple of them. We'll go on to the orange one first. I love a pop of colour. This orange top with khaki, love that. Little graphic crops look so great with cargos. I love everything with cargos, if you couldn't tell already. I like the contrast of the black. I feel like that complements it really well, and then it gives you gateway to style things with it, so you can wear black bottoms or a black jacket, etc. And I like that it's such a bright orange. Then the quality of this is really lovely. Similar cut and shape to the other top. They're all going to be quite similar. They're literally the same top in different colours with different prints. Although some of these tops tops did have a baggier fit and a tight fit. You'll see in the try-on clips and stuff, but I can't remember which one because there's way too many. Again, with the orange. Orange is one of my favourite colours, I'd say. There's not much I can say about these, but just show you them because they all are very similar. I don't even know what this is. It's like a bit of a pop art moment. And then we've got literally the same as that, but with black and a different pop art graphic print. You can also wear these with zip up hoodies as well. That would look really, really nice. But I'm just obsessed with graphic tops. As you can see, I'm wearing one. I love them so much and they're so versatile. Shein has so many different types with like colours and stuff, so I'm the type of person that I love to match my clothes to like my shoes and my bag. So if it's got an accent colour, like it's got black or it's got orange, I go with that. So Shein have got plenty of those, so it will match something of yours. Another top I feel like absolutely everyone owns. I have taken an Instagram picture in this too because I love this as well. I was super worried about this because where, as you can see, it's literally just got holes in. I was like, my chest is gonna be out. But you actually surprisingly can't see them. You know what I mean? Obviously you can see them, but like you can't see them, if you get my drift. Which is weird because I thought you'd be able to, but you can't, which is nice. So it's like an off the shoulder, so it comes up here and then you have the little sleeves. I love crop tops with sleeves, especially like cut out sleeves. I really, really like them. Again, with cargos, I'm so repetitive, but I love them. The quality is really nice. That doesn't want to stay. They also have a black one. I really want a black one and a white one. It's not cropped, it's just like a long type of top. They do have this in sets as well, which I wish I had the set, but I'm just a bit afraid because like, how do you wear underwear with that? This literally looks identical to that orange crop top I showed you, but it's not. It's a long sleeve version and it's like a midi crop as well, and the print's different. It's just because it's black and orange, it looks very similar. I would wear khaki and orange. You wouldn't think it goes, but it actually does. In my opinion, I don't know, I'd wear it. I love a long sleeve crop. It's such lovely quality as well. With a beanie would look sick. I've got a lot of tops because I feel like I've got no tops. I've got so many bottoms, but I just don't have enough tops in my wardrobe. I don't know why. So now I've just got a load of graphic ones, which I'm so glad about because I really, really needed some in my wardrobe. Another top you've probably seen everyone's mum, cat and dog have. I'm very late to the trend of this, the illusion looking top. As you can see, the illusion is to like circle boobs, if you know what I mean. They've got this in so many colours and so many different type of prints. I'm obsessed with this colourway. The pink and the blue just look so nice together. It's really soft. It's that slinky material, long sleeve again. It's cropped. I think this would look really cute on a night out if you're more of like a covered up girl, as opposed to like corset top. If you wore this with some jeans or some flares with heels that either are black, white or pink or blue, if you wanted to fully go out there like me, that's what I do. So it's very versatile. You can wear it like day to day, casual, and then you can wear it on a night out. I really like the cut of this as well. It's not too low because I hate too much of like my collarbones out. I just feel like it looks a bit ill-fitting, but this fits really nice and it's really soft. As you can see, I keep pulling at the sleeve. Oh, I'm so excited about this. As you know, my style goes from one end to the other. It goes cargos and a graphic tee to girly and tweed. There's no in between with me. I love both styles and I like that I have both styles. And I always rave about Shein's tweed. The only thing about Shein's tweed, since I've lost weight, it just doesn't fit me. It used to fit me like an absolute glove and I used to love it, but now it just doesn't fit me. The smaller size wouldn't fit me and it's really, really sad. But Shein have actually brought out a petite range, which is amazing because obviously I'm petite, I'm small, I'm short. I've seen this skirt so many times on Shein and on people and I've always wanted it, but I know it just wouldn't fit me. But now it's in the petite range and it fits me. If you don't know what a skirt is, it's shorts on the back but then looks like a skirt from the front. Can you see how thick and good quality it is? It's got the little pearl buttons as well, which I feel like make it look so much more expensive. If you wanted to wear this to like sixth form or something, you could wear like tights, boots, roll neck with this and a coat. Same with like winter or like work. Tweed is so good for work. I wish I could wear tweed to work. It's really sad because I'd look really cute. I'm so happy. I will be grabbing so much tweed from Shein now that they have a petite section. Over the moon with this. I'm so happy. Another item from my different style from the other side of the scale. Got a little Pinafore dress. I remember I had a checkered Pinafore dress ages ago and I used to wear it all the time. Now I thought I'd get this one in case I ever have to dress smart. I'm that type of person, like I'll keep things in my wardrobe just in case. Like I won't ever need it, but it's like just in case I need it. Like will I ever need to dress smart? For what? I don't know. I'd wear a black long sleeves roll neck under this with some tights and boots again with like my fur coat or something. Again, this is from the petite section, which I'm so happy about. It is a bit on the thin side, but it's not see-through or anything. You want things like this to be airy, especially if you're going to wear it to work. Let me talk to you about these cargos. Let me sneeze first, because I'm going to sneeze. Oh, that was like a little missed one, but it was still there. Anyway, you'll just have to wait for the charm clip for these, because this, no justice at all. It's a cargo pant, of course, but they're actually like a shell bottom material. They're ruched, so they kind of like stack on the leg. They have got a drawstring. It's one of them pulley things like this, which is nice because you cinch the waist. These trousers will go with all the tops I've shown you, especially like ones like this. All of them it will go with. This top I'm wearing it will go with. I'm literally obsessed. They have these in so many colours. I saw grey. Now tell me I don't need grey, because I need grey and I need the khaki. I just love them, and if you haven't tried cargos yet, please do. I just urge you to do it. And if you're going to buy any, buy these, because these are amazing. Next, we've got a bit of faux leather. I've actually bought these trousers before in black, but I wanted a chocolate brown. These are, again, from the petite section. However, they're not that petite on me. They do have a bit of bag, but I like that with faux leather trousers. I like a bit of bag. These are just a straight down fit, but look at the colour, chocolate brown. They do have like a brown, but this is like chocolate melted brown. I'm kind of, I don't want to say it, but I do want to say I'm kind of over faux leather trousers. I used to be obsessed. I don't know why I got these, but I got them because I thought, oh, they're cute in case I ever do feel like wearing faux leather trousers again, because I always go back to things anyway. The waist is a little bit big for me, although these are the smaller size. They're an extra small. If you're looking for some good quality faux leather straight down trousers, Shein do have them, which is amazing. The fact that they're petite, even better. Although they're not like a complete petite on me, they're still a good petite fit, if you get what I mean. Let's talk about some jeans now. Now, at first glances of these, you're probably thinking, why are you getting flared bottom jeans? I thought the same. Skinny to flared bottom black jeans. And they're from the petite section, again, from Shein. These are a perfect fit. Like, I mean, you can see how short they are because I'm that short. They're so stretchy. So stretchy. Do smell a bit weird. They do need to air out a bit. We've got belt loops as well in case they don't fit. I'm pretty sure they do fit me perfectly around the waist. I just remember the fit was amazing. Make your bum look amazing. Kind of flared, but they're not too flared. It's just a bit of like a little flare, so it's not too out there for you. I'm always on the hunt for new petite jeans, so I thought I'd grab these. These are actually ripped. I used to have a baggy pair of jeans that I ripped, and they were so beautiful. They fitted so lovely, but they were just so long. So I thought I'd grab these, and these fit lovely. They're such a lovely wash of blue. The hole is perfect. It sits on my knee, not below the knee, and looks silly. They're really soft, lovely quality jeans. Shein have the best quality jeans ever. I just find they're so soft and comfortable. They're not too restrictive because they have a bit of stretch to them. They're just amazing. And then I grabbed these ones, but I feel like I've bought these already. I don't know why, but I feel like I have. So if you've seen these in a haul before, I'm sorry, I'm showing you again. But they're just, you know, normal straight leg mum jeans, petite section. Again, they fit me perfectly, which is why I feel like I've got these already. Not much to say about jeans. You can wear them with anything, honestly. Grabbed another bag from Shein. I love this, like, is it called shearling or is it just fur lined? I don't know what it's called, but either way, fur-lined faux leather bag. The quality of this is really, really nice. It's giving me extreme Fendi vibes as well. I have a coat that looks like this, so if you've got a coat that looks like this is going to look great together. The strap is really good quality. I just hate the colour that's inside. It's like maroon burgundy colour. You're not going to see inside, so it's fine. It does have a long strap in case you don't like the smaller strap. She just looks so cute on, doesn't she? I love her. It's really, really nice quality. I was so surprised. Like, it sits up by itself type thing. This is a really good winter bag. You can fit a lot in it. You can fit your phone, your keys, your card, your makeup, everything, because it's not super small. It's a very good practical bag. You probably already spotted when you first clicked on this haul, this bag on the end, so I'm just going to show you this. Will I ever use this? Probably not, but did I choose it anyway? Yes I did, because it's just too cute. The strap on this is so thick, like so thick and fluffy. I'm never going to use it. I'm never going to use it. I do that a lot. That's like one of my toxic traits. Like, I get stuff and just don't ever use it. Like, I just want it because it's cute. It is really cute and it's practical. Like, if you were to go food shopping or just shopping in general, you know, you're going to fit a lot in there. There's a lot of room. It does come with a strap as well. Okay. Didn't know about that. On to our last item. I got some pajamas. Shein have so many pajamas, like such a wide selection of pajamas. I saw these and I thought, yeah, you have my name written all over. It is princess pajamas because I'm princess. It says princess on it. It's really cute, soft material. The only sad thing is this is just way too big, like way too big. The top's too big because I've got no chest. The shorts are just way too big because unfortunately my waist is just too small. It's really sad, like they're just too long. Like, if this was tight and they were like that, it's just because I like my stuff short. That's my issue. I just like things short. If they were like that, I would absolutely wear this all the time, and I'm really sad because they are really cute. So everyone, that's the end of my Shein haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to use my discount code. But other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.